Good morning, everybody. We have the NASDAQ 100 NQ futures. They were up. We had a 121 point gap working in the NQ with this rally. Right now, we are down 51 points, and Tesla will report quarterly results this afternoon after the 4 p.m. Some of the earnings, like Netflix, came in quite well. I've drawn trend lines of where the support level is there at 11,125. We're at 11,146. Yesterday, the intraday low was 1080, or yes, it was 101081. So we know that this lower trend line down here at 1198 will be that support level. Should we get there, we will continue to buy these futures as we trade them every day. So what we would like to tell you is that you can get a futures account and you can start trading right away. And we'll guide you through the entries, the exits, and the day-to-day, just like you see here on the channel. Now, we have Tesla tonight after the close, and then next week we have a lot more earnings that are coming. So with yields going higher, we have bond yields right now up here at 41. That is why the futures are coming down. You have this very high rate of 40.98. That is up $1 right there. And then the dollar, US dollar, is ticking up 0.76 to 112.75. Well, we know that when the bond yields go higher, that's not good for equities and it's not good for the futures. And this is why we're having the pullback. It has nothing to do with this rally other than that is the overhang when you get the 10-year yield screaming up here at 41. That's up $1.02. That is a huge move. Let me show that on the chart. This is the yields right here. They've come down considerably, and now we are gapping up higher all the way up here where you can see this. They're up here at 41. That's an all-time high right there, which is not good for equities. When the 10-year yields go higher, then futures stocks go lower. However, yesterday we had the same type of deal and we had a big pullback, and then when the yields came down, then stocks went up. That's an all-time high on that 15-minute. Now when I pull up the daily on the 10-year, you can see that gap. We just went higher than what we have seen before. So once again, they're up $1. That is going to be the overhang in the stocks, and the futures now are down to 11,127. Back to the NQ 100, NASDAQ 100. I have the daily trend lines right here, and that would be the upper end at 11.5, and we're pulling back to my trend line right here. We will look at buying that dip just like we did yesterday. And if we can get in at the cheap price, the bond yields are driving them down, but the rally is still working.